Hey there, and thank you for considering Finesse Surface Cleaners for your tile and grout cleaning needs. Finesse Surface Cleaners utilizes a unique process that ensures your tile and grout are thoroughly cleaned to make your floors shine and pop again. The first step in an excellent tile cleaning is to apply a detergent to your tile. This helps dissolve dirt and grime in your grout and makes it easier to rinse and remove from your home. The second step is to scrub the grout. We brush every inch of grout to ensure that the grime is thoroughly separated from your floor. This also helps distribute the detergent throughout your grout and loosens up oil and grease further. The final step is to rinse the surface with hot water and extract all of the dirt and detergents. Our high-pressure cleaners remove the food, grease and dirt that's trapped in the porous floor. The thin layer of dirt that's built up on your tile will also be washed away. The dirty water is vacuumed into our waste tank and away from your home, leaving only nothing but your clean tile for you and your family to enjoy. Aftercare products are available to help protect your tile further. Sealer can be applied to your grout to prevent grease from further penetrating the porous surface of your floor, making it easier to clean up without restaining your tile and grout. Vinyl floors may also be cleaned up using this same procedure to remove dirt that frequently gets trapped in the cracks and pores of the installation. Thanks for watching. Please consult your technician if you have any questions related to our cleaning procedure.